So for today's lesson, we are going to discuss about quadratic functions. So quadratic functions is also called a second degree function. It is of the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, or y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where y equals f of x na siya read as x, or f of x kanang y equals f then x. There are two forms of a quadratic function. One is ang two forms. We have the general form. The general form that is in the f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Then the second form of a quadratic function is the vertex form. We have f of x equals a, then x minus h squared plus k, with hk as the coordinate. So atong coordinates ana is the hk. Ang h formula is negative b over 2a. And the k, the formula is 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Okay, mag-give ko example. So we have here an example, no? F of x equals negative 2x squared minus 12x plus 6. So, this is in the, unsa siya nga form? This is in a quadratic form, diba? Then, we are going to rewrite this into vertex form. In the quadratic equation man siya. Then, i-rewrite na to into vertex form. So, what is the first step? Unsay una natong buhaton kung mag-rewrite ta ani? Okay, you listen ha, follow the steps. In transforming the quadratic equation to vertex form, the first step is we are going to group the x terms. What do you mean by group the x terms? Okay, na atay mga x terms nato diri, kani nga mga x terms, di ba? Kaya ato nang igrupo. We have here di ba f of x or y equals negative 2x squared minus 12x, no? Ato siyang i-group, then plus 6. Okay. After that, we are going to factor out. I-factor na to. Na naman tayo group, di ba? Unsa man ato ang factor, negative 2x squared minus 12x. Nasa i-factor na negative 2, di ba? So, ipagawa si negative 2. Negative 2x squared divide negative 2. That is, unsa man? That is x squared. Then, negative 12x divided by negative 2, that is positive 6x. Then, we report kay plus 6. Okay. Next, we are going to follow, kato galing ato ang completing the square. Unsa man to ato ang rule sa completing the square. We are going to divide the linear term na to, divide na to by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then ato ang square. That is 9, diba? Then we are going to add both sides by positive 9. Okay? We have, sa ato ang completing the square, mo na siya ang rule, diba? We have negative 2, then x squared plus 6x. Again, naapay 9. Ato ang i-divide ato ang linear term to 2, then ang answer niya kay square, mo nang 9. So we are going to add both sides by 9. Okay, plus 9, and this is plus 6 plus 9. Okay? Ato man siyang i-divide both sides. Okay, next. So, I have here an example. We have f of x equals negative 2x squared minus 12x plus 6. So, again, f of x or y, no? First nato nga step is, ato ang i-group, di ba? We have y equals negative 2x squared minus 12x plus 6. Gigrupo na to ang negative 2x squared minus 12x. Then, ato ang i-factor, ipagawas ang common nila. I-factor na to si negative 2. Okay, we have now negative 2x squared divide negative 2 is x squared, diba? Then, negative 12x divide negative 12 is positive 6. So, i-plus na to si 6. Mana na to sila factor, diba? Then, continue to sa katong ato ang completing the square. ato ang linear term which is 6 numerical coefficient of x i-divide og 2 then ang answer kay ato ang is squared. So si 6 divided by 2 that is 3 then 3 squared that is 9. So we have now y equals negative 2 then x squared plus 6x. Ato ang 9 na to atong i-add both sides. I mean ang 9 na to atong i-add sa tong parentheses then ang i-add na to sa pikas kay ang opposite niya. So we have now x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 6 minus 9 kay ang minus 9 ang kuha man nato ni siya sa ato ang gi-add sa ato ang parentheses opposite niya plus 9 then sa gawas minus 9. So we have now y equals negative 2 then x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 6 minus 9 ato ang i-multiply ang negative 2 kanang gi-factor nato dira ang negative 2 i-multiply nato. So we have now y equals negative 2 x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 6. Then negative 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. So y equals negative 2 x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 24 kay 6 minus negative 18 is 24 man. Then we have now negative 2 then x plus 3 squared nga nang nahimo siyang x plus 3 squared because x squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square trinomial, no? So plus 24 and our vertex is negative 3 and 24. So second example na to, f of x equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 9, no? We are to transform this quadratic equation to vertex form. Again, first step na to is atuang i-group ang the x term. We have y equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. Atong i-group pa ito na ay mga variable na x. F of x or y is the same ha. Then, i-factor out na ito. Itong ipagawas ang numerical coefficient sa x squared. Ipagawas si 3. We have y equals factor 3x squared divided by 3 is x squared. Then, negative 12x divided by 3 is negative 4x. Then, plus 9. Then, after that, y equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 4. Nga nung naan siya plus 4 din. Kani siya plus 4. Gika na siya diri ang remember mo sa ato ang completing the square, no? Ato ang linear term, i-divide ato og 2, then i-square na to. 4 divided by 2 is 2, then ato ang i-square that is equals to 4. So, ato ang i-add si 4 diri sa ato ang result sa parentheses, and sa gawas niya sa parentheses, ato siyang i-subtract. Muna siya. Plus 4 diri, minus 4 diri. Then, we have now 3x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 9 minus 4, no? Then, ato pa dyan i-multiply ang si 3. I-multiply pa dyan din nato, din niya. I-multiply. So, we have now 3, then x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 9 minus 12. Okay? Plus 9 minus 12. Then, 3 x squared minus 4x plus 4 positive 9 minus 12 is negative 3. So, our vertex form now is y equals 3, then x squared minus 2 squared, I mean, that is, I don't know, squared money. That is x minus 2 squared minus 3. So, our third example, we have f of x equals 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. Again, ato siyang i-group, no? Sa iyaha nga sa variable na x. So, f of x also equals to y equals, i-group na to 2x squared plus 4x then minus 3. Then, y equals, ato ang ipagawa si 2. Numerical coefficient sa itong x squared, ipagawa si 2. Yung 2x squared divided 2 is x squared plus 4x divided by 2, that is 2x then minus 3. Next step, we are going to find the numbers na mo-complete sa square. Diba sa itong completing the square? We are going to divide this by 2, diba? Okay, so 2 divided by 2 equals 1, diba? Then ito ang square ang answer, 1 squared is equals to 1. So we have now x squared plus 2x atong i-add dito, diba? Si 1. Then sa gawas, kay i-minus si 1, diba? I-add sa diri, i-minus nila. Okay, so we have now y equals 2, then x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 3 minus 1. Sunod kay multiply na to si positive 2 ang naa sa gawas din yung compuses. So y equals 2, then x squared plus 2x plus 1, then negative 3 minus what is 1 times 2? It is negative 2, diba? Okay. So y equals 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 5. Okay. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. So what one is complete and square? We have 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. That is a perfect square trinomial. So the factor is x plus 1. Okay. Positive 1. So x plus 1 squared minus 5. So this is now our in vertex form. So ito ang vertex is minsan man, we have negative 1 and negative 5. Okay?